G'day, welcome back to Pacific Northwest Explored. In this episode, we're going to check out a mountain lake and specifically look at the wilderness tent system that I have on the back of the Tacoma truck. So if you're new to the channel, we do a lot of exploring with a variety of equipment all over Washington State and beyond. Join me as we check out one of my favorite spots and have a look at the wilderness tent system. Here's a great looking campsite right on the lake. It's still winter time, it's pretty cold. Beautiful lake though. Before we open up the nest, let's just check out this lake and throw the drone up in the air, just to give you a perspective of this awesome spot. Just put a brand new custom aluminum mount for my Max Tracks on the side. Just give you a quick walk around before we pop the top. Got a Badlands winch on the front. I upgraded the suspension. I went with a Toy Tech lift system and Old Man Emu shocks, and I added another leaf in the back just to give it a little bit more weight distribution for the back. Now let's go pop the top open and show you how this wilderness system works. First thing we do is we unlock the camper. Put a padlock on here, undo the two clips, climb up on top. That's step one. Then we climb inside and we open the ridge poles up. I'll take you inside now and just show you how we do the inside. There's a zipper that holds the tent so you can use the rest of your back of your truck. So you unzip that and then you pop the ridges up, and that's step two. Is now I'm going to put the ridge pole up a little higher. And now we're just going to raise this ridge pole up, and this one. And there's a little notch right here. The ridge pole up. Same for the other side. There's some locks to lock these in on the sides. Couple of clips here to hold the sides on. And then extend that out. There's the opening, and then there's the double bed. Usually throw a blanket on there. And right outside we got the lake view. Can't get any better than that. The final step inside is to add these basically tent poles in the roof just to help with the sag and just to keep the snow load and the rain off. So we'll do that right now. Alright, with those ridge poles in, they give the tent a really nice curve, and you can stand up in here. I got plenty of height room. I'm 5'6", and so you got tons of room. And we'll just roll this up. Okay, there it is, all rolled up. And then we put our flue up. I'm not going to do it today, but you just throw the flue right in here. So I got my wood stove, my EcoFlow battery under there, and then my nice cooler on a slide out. Got my lunch in there today, a couple of beers. Let's go outside and take a final look. And then of course I have my bench right here with storage below, and there's a slide out for the front as well. But we'll have a cup of tea and have some lunch, and I'll just get the drone up too, show you the tent. Here's the final look of the tent. So this is the overhang, and it's on cables. So you can see that wire cable that counterbalances it. So you really don't need anything here. It does come with some poles, but they're really not needed. It'll stop that bounce, a little bit of a bounce it has if you don't use them. The tent is 10 years old. You can get a new tent for these. This Wilderness canopy system was invented in the mid-80s. So this canvas has been replaced. It's in pretty good shape. I swapped it out. It's 10 years old. So let's get the drone up so you can really have a good look at it. Just give you a detailed look at my fridge. It's a bodega, and I built a slide for it myself, just out of wood and aluminum L tubing. So all you do is hit this catch, and she slides out for easy access. And you got a fridge and a freezer. And there in the back is my EcoFlow Delta battery. That's charging this guy right now. My pole molly wood stove, I'm not going to run that today. And then this is my drawer slide. It's pretty full right now. Need to do some organizing. But that's basically all my cooking pots and pans and my wood starting stuff, and a stove. Throw some water on. Have a nice cup of tea. We'll get the drone up. Wow, it is just so quiet here. It's amazing. The scenery is amazing. There's no one here. Absolutely no one. She's boiling away. These MSR stoves are amazing. Super quick, very efficient. Let's have a nice cup of tea while I'm by the shore. Gonna get the half and half out. It's pretty cold this morning. It's probably why there's not a lot of people out. But it is still winter time. Nice cup of tea. Look, just admiring the view. Fabulous. Oh yeah, that's good. That's really good. I come back here in the summer, and we'll do some kayaking or probably take the stand-up paddle boards, the sup boards, just because it's not a huge lake, but it'd be great to swim and do some exploring along the lake shore just on a sup board. So that's the plan this summer. So stick around. Here's just a different angle for you. Okay, well, we'll just get the drone up. Today we're using the DJI Mavic Air 2S. Let's give you a closer look at it. Pretty good size for being in the trees, not too big, just right. Plenty of power. It has a sport mode on it. So let's get this guy up in the air. Breaking the Wilderness down is just the same way, but in reverse. I'm going to speed this up just for convenience, and I want to thank you all for subscribing. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button and subscribe, and my mission is to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.